Hello guys. Today I am going to show you how to fix layer missing bug in Infinity Design. There are two types of bugs in this application that I am fixing for you today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Okay guys, let's start the video. When I open the file Project 23, after the file loads, there are a few layers missing. Even though I have turned on all of the visibility of the layers, we can see that most of the layers are blank. In order to rectify this error, I need to close this file which I have just opened. Now I open this Project 23 file again. All I have to do now is zoom out the canvas at maximum speed while loading. Then I zoom in on the canvas after the file is fully loaded. Let us now move on to the second issue of Infinity Design. This error bothered me the most. Layers are still missing even after saving the file to image format. The second error is easy for us to fix. Instead of the export option, you can click on the share option. Then you will see three dots below the share option. You can click on it and send your artwork via email. Also in the share option we can see an option called print. So, thank you guys for watching the video till the end. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.